Hey guys, welcome back to the J&K Garage. In case you missed the last video with this PW50 here, we gave to our son for his 3rd birthday. We got an opportunity to take it out for a little ride to the local fields and trails and that. But unfortunately, when I built the bike, I noticed there was a bit of a knock. And it's a little hard to hear. A little knock in there.
Knock knock jokes are funny until your engine starts telling them.
And you can't hear while it's running. But I believe that the crank in this is a little bit unbalanced and causing the flywheel to knock against something. Not severe, and it still runs great, but with myself in there with my son, it seems to be losing power, not making enough power to really go as good as the other PW50 down there. With just my daughter on there, plenty of power, but I don't like the noise, and I don't like the fact that it doesn't have quite the same power. So what I've done is I've gotten a set of new bearings and seals, and I've got a new crank here. It's not an OEM one, so I'm hoping that doesn't cause any issues. Just a cheaper aftermarket one here. That's the crank protecting rod. I'm gonna put those new bearings in. Shouldn't take long to get that swapped out, or pull the motor out and swap that in, get it back together and get it running. I was a little bit hesitant to use the stock one when I built it, but I wasn't really sure if it was good or not. And I want to get the bike done for the broke to build contest I entered it into. So I just opted to use it, put it in there and see if it runs. And it does run, but again, that noise and the power. So I want to make sure it doesn't blow up on my son on his 2nd or 3rd time out. So we'll get that in there, get him right again once we get some warmer weather and snow's gone again. Hopefully that's soon. Stay tuned, guys. Well, as you can see there, the motor is completely taken out and apart. I've got the new crank in there now, and bearings. That's the old one. And ready to seal the case back up together. Get it back in the bike off over there. And test it, make sure she runs good. You don't want a video, buddy? No. Alright. We got her back together-ish. Motor's back together. Let's stick it back into the frame. And in a few minutes here, she should be ready to fire up. And hopefully she runs a little bit better. Alright, got her back together. Let's see how she fires up. Alright, so the bike's cooled down now. As you can hear, it runs good. Ignition off. No more knock anymore. Just kicks over like it should. Exhaust is cold. Test to make sure she fires up good. Seems to have good response even when it's cold. So final test, take it outside and see how she runs under load. Well, there you have it. The bike is successfully fixed and ready to ride again. Catch you next time, guys. Have a good one.